Google just rolled out a new feature that could be a game changer for businesses just like yours. The thing of it is, nobody's even talking about it yet. Maybe people haven't caught on, maybe people haven't even seen it. It just rolled out with no indicator that it was coming. I was just going through some Google business profiles because that's what we do. We get people ranked, get their Google business profiles ranked in local searches. And while I was working on one of our customers' Google business profiles, I noticed that there's a new feature, and this new feature could really be a game changer for a lot of local businesses. So let's jump in and just talk about exactly what's happening out there and how you can capitalize on this to hopefully get some new customers in your doors. So Google's new feature they have is kind of similar to an old feature that they had. They used to have what was considered a chat feature inside your Google business profile. Now, there was some problems with this chat feature because it was completely encompassed within your Google business profile. So somebody would hit the chat button, there'd be a disconnect because it did not go directly to your business. You'd get an email notification or possibly a text message saying that you have a new chat up on your Google business profile. Nobody used it. It was not very it wasn't very easy to use. And it was there. We recommended people use it just because the more things that you can fill out on your Google business profile, the better that your Google business profile fares in local searches. They did away with the chat feature several months back. However, just recently, I noticed they have added a SMS feature so people can text directly into your business. Now, this takes away that chat feature that went through your Google business profile, was really clunky, didn't really work that effectively, and nobody used it. Now, people can literally just start a text conversation with your business, assuming that you have a text able phone for your business. Now, this can also be just your cell phone, and the phone calls can still go to your business if you don't have SMS capability on your business line. This could be a game changer. Don't get me wrong, right now it is very limited. You can only see it in certain aspects and it's not very prominent on your Google business profile. However, I am sure that this is just a test feature because Google's probably just testing their product right now, and I am sure that they will roll it out more in depth in the future. But the businesses that jump on the bandwagon first, it is seen time and time again. When Google rolls out a new update, when Google does something slightly different, the businesses that jump on that bandwagon first typically results in them getting a majority of the new customers coming in because they have embraced Google and all their glory. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up for your business. I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing and possibly what could benefit you in the future from this. So let's jump right on in. We'll go to our Google business profile and we'll go ahead and set this up for our business right now. All right, so here we are. We're on Upward Bound Media's Google business profile. And so what you're going to do in order to set up this new feature is we're going to go right into Edit Profile. You'll see here we've got all of our profile information. We've got our phone number set up, and then you'll see this new chat feature right here. And so we're going to go ahead and click that. We're going to go ahead and enable this. As you can see, we can get either WhatsApp or we can get text messages. We're going to go text messages. This is America, after all. Not a lot of people actually utilize WhatsApp. So my business phone number right here can actually receive text messages. So we're going to go ahead and so we're going to put a 1 first, and then we'll put our phone number. And then we're going to go ahead and save that. Now Google's going to It's a pending edit, but honestly, if you just exit out of here and then just bring it right back up, typically it will be passed through. It has not passed through yet. Once it passes through, let me refresh the page here real quick. Let's see here. Is it passed? All right. So now you can see that our SMS has been approved. We now have the text messaging ability for our business. But what does that actually mean? Because you come over here and I am not found. Well, the problem is, or it's not found that we have even SMS capabilities currently on our business profile. And don't worry, that's exactly how it's supposed to be. I am currently on the desktop version. So even if I go looking up, actually, I'm not in the right location currently. So even if I come over here and look up marketing agency, we're going to come up and we're going to see Upward Bound Media right here. We got schedule, website directions. We click into it. And as you can see, there is no way to text the business. Now, why is that? Well, we are currently on desktop. So let me show you exactly what the phone version looks like. Now that we have it set up on our profile, I just ran a search for the business right here. As you can see right here, there is a text message ability. And so you can click right into that. As you can see, I've already tested it. Yay, we can text from Google, and immediately a text was received into my business line. And then boom, just like that, we can now text directly from our Google business profile. We can receive text directly from customers. Guess what? New studies show that like 75% of people would rather text a business than actually pick up the phone and give them a phone call. So the fact that you have set up texting for your business could mean a plethora of new customers coming into your doors. Keep following along. We're going to keep having constant value like this that's going to just help bring more customers into your business's door. So if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and watch this video right here where we do a step-by-step and show a business owner exactly how to get more business in through their doors. We'll see you on the next one.